Joyeux anniversaire, oh.
Ciao.
Muchísimas
buon
felicidades.
compleanno,
Oh.
Feliz aniversario!
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today this is my birthday, and for this occasion I wanted to answer all your questions that I got on Instagram. So I created this video for the ones who want to get to know me better. So I took every question and translated them into English. To make it a tiny more professional, I bought these lights, okay? And I am shooting this in my mother's living room because of COVID, you know, I stay with her, and thank you, Mom. It's a bit old, but it's alright, I can make videos. So for this occasion, I put a little jacket on. I know you used to seeing me topless, but today, I keep this. Trust me, I will keep it, okay? So let's start. What's your real name? You can call me O. How old are you? So today I'm turning 25 years old. Where were you born? So I was born in Bordeaux in France. How tall are you? So guys, I'm not huge, but I'm not small. I am 173 centimeters tall. Did you go to university? Yes, actually guys. I went to the University of London for 3 years, where I got a bachelor in business. What are your favorite films? Oh my goodness. If you had to watch 2 films in your life, guys, 12 Angry Men and the others. What is your favorite quote? Quand on veut, on peut. And in English you could say, when there's a will, there's a way. What do you like to do in your free time? First, I don't have lots of free time, but I love reading. So every day I organize myself at least 1 hour of reading. Why are you on social media and are you happy with it? Okay, so first guys, I did it to inspire people, you know, with my body and with my positivity. And yes, I am very happy with it because it proves that, you know, people believe in me and in my projects. So today there is almost 200,000 followers on TikTok, almost 70 on Instagram, and you know, for YouTube it's 1,610. So I know it's not a lot, you know, but anyway, I am full of gratitude for this because I know, guys, in my heart that the channel is going to increase. How many countries have you been to? Wow, over 30 now, yeah. So, you know, with COVID, I had to have a break, but now I'm back. What is the circle with the 5 dots we see everywhere? That's a good question. That's a good question, and you can see it, you know, the circles, you can see them just here on my wrist. So this is actually a logo I designed to promote peace and unity in the world. So let me explain. It's actually 5 people, you know, who embrace themselves, you know, to show unity between people, between everyone, despite the color of the skin, the religions, the race, the age, the gender, the physical differences, you know, the money we earn, the sexual orientation, handicap also. But you know what, guys? I think we should all try to welcome, you know, people's differences instead of stigmatizing them. This word is really difficult to pronounce. Stigmatizing them. Instead of stigmatizing them. Stigmatizing. Instead of stigmatizing. Okay, so what's your goal with ONITED? That's a question that goes straight to my heart. So, I put this logo on a flag, alright? And the goal is to have it signed by at least every country in the world, okay? So at least one native of each country, and it goes to every country at the same time. So now, over 20 countries have signed it. So this is my fucking goal, guys. What was the last country who has signed it? Okay, so it was Spain, and I've just made a video about it. I made it with lots of love. You can, I think, click somewhere here to watch it. What's the next country that's going to sign it? Okay, so this is going to be Belgium, because, you know, with COVID, I have to find some countries that are very close to France, and Belgium is very close. Were you happy when you were in the calendar of Des Hommes et des Chatons? Thank you. Yes, of course, and this is the calendar. It was, you know, guys, one of my first rewards, so I am honestly very grateful. So I am here, that's me. If you had to say something to your followers, okay. Guys, I would say a big thank you for being with me on this journey, because you know, this is just the beginning and this is going to go far. And with your help and support, this is going to be magical. So thank you so much. One sentence to describe yourself. I'm here for peace, inspiration, and motivation.